Hello, dear ones. Today, we're going to talk about something very important: how to naturally boost your immunity. Your immune system is like a guardian angel, and we want to make sure it's strong and ready to protect you. One of the best ways to boost your immunity is through the food you eat. Let's start right here in the kitchen. First, make sure your plate looks like a rainbow. Fill it with colorful fruits and veggies like these. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your immune system loves. Next, don't be afraid of garlic and onions. They're not just for keeping away vampires. They have natural compounds that can help your immune system fight off infections. Honey and lemon. A warm cup of tea with these can soothe a sore throat and give your immune system a little boost. It's like a hug for your insides. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and sauerkraut are like friendly soldiers for your gut. They help keep your digestive system healthy, which in turn supports your immune system. Now, let's talk about rest. Your body needs plenty of sleep to recharge. It's during those quiet hours that your immune system does most of its repair work. Stress can weaken your immune system. Find time to relax, whether it's in a garden like this or by doing something you love, like reading a good book or spending time with family. Water is life. It helps your body function properly, including your immune system. So, drink up, dear ones, and don't forget to move your body. Gentle exercises like yoga or a daily walk can improve circulation and help your immune system stay active. So, my dears, remember these simple ways to naturally boost your immunity. It's like giving your body a little extra love and care. Take good care of yourselves, and your immune system will take care of you. Until next time, be well, and cherish every moment.